Before the dollar existed, early Americans traded with foreign coins, gold, and unreliable paper money. In 1775, the first paper money was issued, but it quickly lost value and trust. Next, offset printing adds subtle background colors that are extremely difficult for counterfeiters to replicate. First, feel the paper. Real US currency is made of 75% cotton and 25% linen. That rough texture comes from intaglio printing, where ink is pressed deep into the paper. Now tilt the note. The number in the corner changes color from copper to green. On the $100 bill, even the bell inside the inkwell changes color as you move it. This blue ribbon is woven into the paper, not printed, and its images move as you tilt it. Hold it to light. Inside, a security thread glows under ultraviolet light and differs by denomination. You'll also see a watermark, a faint image that matches the portrait on the bill. Look closer. Microprinting contains tiny words like USA and the United States of America. Even the paper itself contains embedded red and blue fibers for added protection. Every bill has a unique serial number, making each note completely traceable. These letters and numbers identify which Federal Reserve Bank issued the note. The series year shows when the design was approved or when signatures were updated. Every bill has a unique serial number, making each note completely traceable. These letters and numbers identify which Federal Reserve Bank issued the note. The series year shows when the design was approved or when signatures were updated. Each note also has a position code, revealing exactly where it was printed on the plate. Plate numbers identify the exact printing plates used to produce the front and back. Different denominations include unique features, positions, and security variations for added protection. To verify a bill, experts use a simple method: feel it, tilt it, and check it with light. Because behind every dollar is a system designed to protect trust, value, and the global economy. Every dollar begins its journey far from banks, right here in cotton fields. Bowls are coming in nice and full. A few more weeks of sun and we'll be ready.
Steady flow, keep it coming. Almost full, one more load.
Wood pulp. The mixture is pressed into thin sheets.
Quality looks good.
Check the engravings.
Once printed, the notes are counted, stacked, and bundled into secure packs for distribution. These bundles are stored in high-security vaults, waiting to be released into the financial system. From $1 to 100, each bill may look simple, but every detail is carefully designed. Different denominations serve different purposes, but all follow the same powerful system of security and design. From the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, the money is transported under heavy security. These notes are then delivered to banks through the Federal Reserve System. Once inside banks, the currency becomes ready for public circulation. And this is where you come in, accessing that system with just a card. Within seconds, freshly circulated cash is in your hands. Each note you hold has already passed through a journey of precision and security. Here's the cash for these. Great, thanks, here's your change. And just like that, it becomes part of everyday life, used for simple transactions. From markets to stores, cash continues to power millions of daily exchanges. Here's the cash, thank you.
1 apple, please.
That'll be $1.
Keep the change.
But behind every exchange lies a system built on trust, design, and global value.